So for this project, we'll be just series this battery. So the negative will be here, the positive will be. So this is the older battery last few months ago. So this is the same specs, Pony Energy, which is um, 12 volts, 314 ampere hour battery. So for this, I'll just put this first at the center. So connecting different terminals. Should be easy. Okay. This one should go. I'll just make sure the jumper cables are not tension. So yeah, always secure the tight. Okay, so it should read right now 24 volts. So let's check if so. Black to black. Now it's reading 26.54 volts. Okay, 26.54 volts. So I'm gonna check this, connect the load. So without the load first, so I'll just cover this up. I cannot no longer cover this side, so I'll just figure it out for protection. Yeah, should have been here. Okay, so let's. This is not yet turned on, so it is expected. This should not turn on. Now, the battery balancer is already on. So it's reading 3.2. The load is not yet loaded. So it should have different readings after connecting. So black to black. Now it's reading the battery here is 3.2. battery here is 3.4 and 3.2. So it means the battery is unbalanced. So I just might need to have them closer. Okay. So that's the BMS, the battery management, battery equalizer installed. So it should read in the here, the bottom of the breaker should read also the same. So it's 26.54. Okay. So that's how you connect the BMS.